Hello everyone, today let's see how to say simple sentences in Tibetan. For example, the sentence I'm a student. In the previous videos, we looked at personal pronouns. The verb to be and simple sentence structure in Tibetan. I am a student. The student in Tibetan is
Lotuk
I am a student.
nga lotuk yin. Nga lotuk yin.
We are students. We had seen us, we say.
Nga tso
With we, the verb to be in Tibetan is
yin. Nga tso yin.
students, as we've just seen. We are students.
Nga tso lotuk yin. Nga tso lotuk yin.
You are Tibetan. You is said in its polite form.
Kirang
Is
are
and Tibetan.
baba.
You are Tibetan.
Kirang babare. Kirang babare.
Are you Tibetan? We had seen questions, and in particular, the interrogative particle.
He.
Are you Tibetan?
Kirang babare be. Kirang babare be.
I'm a teacher. Teacher is
Gegen nga gegen yin. Nga gegen yin.
I'm a cook. Cook is said.
Machen nga machen yin.
I'm a cook.
Nga machen yin.
We are cooks.
Nga tso machen yin. Nga tso machen yin.
He is a doctor. We had studied the construction of the non-gendered, he or she, polite.
Kong
The Tibetan word for doctor is.
mg
The word is.
are. Kong mg are. Kong mg re.
He is a doctor.
Kong mg re.
It's a pen.
Di nyugore.
The pen.
Nyugu
The demonstrative pronoun.
ti
The verb in the third person singular.
re. Di nyugore.
Over there, it's a house. Over there is said.
Bagi
A house.
kangba.
Let's look at the sentence structure.
Bagi kangpare. Bagi kangpare.
It's a house over there. Those are houses over there. We note that the sentence is in the plural form.
바초 강파리. 바초 강파리.
It's a sheet of paper. A sheet of paper.
쇼보. 이 쇼보레. 다들은 뭐 대 쇼보레. 대 쇼보레.
This is the paper I was looking for.
디 네. 철로에 쇼보레. 땡에 철로에 쇼보레.
We note that the personal pronoun is in the first person singular,
nga
marked by the ergative. So that means it's me looking for a sheet of paper.
철로
Means, to search. We have just seen the vocabular.
쇼부
The sheet of paper.
디 네. 철로에 쇼보레.
This is the sheet of paper I was looking for.
딩에 철로에 쇼보레.
The plural sentence. These are sheets of paper.
대처 쇼보레. 대처 쇼보레.
Up there is a cloud.
야기 틴파레. 야기 틴파레.
Up there is a cloud.
야기 틴파레.
Up there are clouds.
야초 틴파레. 야초 틴파레.
Down below is a river.
마기 창보레 마기 창보레
Down below, rivers.
마초 창보레 마초 창보레
Let's see a sentence structure. I think that.
인기레
I think he's a doctor.
콩 엠치 인기레 콩
Is the formal non-gendered personal pronoun.
엠치
The doctor.
인기레
I think that. I think he's a doctor.
콩 엠치 인기레 콩 엠치 인기레
It's possible he's a student.
콩 럽둑 식 흰바레 콩 럽둑 식 흰바레 흰바레
The personal pronoun is in the third person singular.
콩
He or she.
럽둑
Student. It says it's one student. It's possible he's a student.
콩 럽둑 식 흰바레 콩 럽둑 식 흰바레
I suppose that. The structure of this sentence is,
흰바다 흰바다
I assume he's from a good family or I assume she's from a good family.
콩 마창약부식 네 흰바다
We note the non-gendered personal pronoun.
콩
Good family.
마창약부
A good family.
마창약부식 네
Is an ablative particle. Literally, a good family, of, I suppose. We translate, I suppose he's from a good family.
콩 마창약부식 네 흰바다
It looks like, he looks like.
흰소도 흰소도
He looks like a teacher.
콩 개간식 흰소도 콩 개간식 흰소도
She sounds like a nice lady.
콩 김은 샘창보식 흰소도 콩
He or she.
김은
A woman.
샘창보
A good state of mind, or kind.
식
We can translate literally as, one.
흰소도
It looks like.
콩 김은 샘창보식 흰소도
It looks like she's a nice lady. I think it's a Tibetan restaurant.
디 읍에 사캉 인기레
We had seen the structure.
인기레
I think that. We observed the typical structure of the genitive with the possessor and the possessed element. The possessed element is
사캉
the restaurant. The possessor is
읍아
Tibetan.
읍에 사캉
The Tibetan restaurant. I think it's a Tibetan restaurant.
디 읍에 사캉 인기레
I think it's a Tibetan restaurant.
디 읍에 사캉 인기레
It looks like our teacher's pen. The pen is written in honorific.
디 ngāchū 개겐기 찬육하리 찬육
Pen written in honorific.
개겐
Teacher.
ngāchū 개겐
Our teacher. So, our teacher's pen is said.
ngāchū 개겐기 찬육
It's our teacher's pen is said.
디 ngāchū 개겐기 찬육하리
Over there, it looks like it's Tenzin. We have seen the different elements. Over there is said as
박이 텐징
first name.
흰소독
It looks like.
박이 텐진 흰소독
Over there, it seems that they are siblings.
박이 공조 펜치 흰소독
Over there.
박이 공조 공초 콩
Is the gender-neutral personal pronoun he or she?
초
Is the gender-neutral personal pronoun he or she?
공초
He or she in plural. Siblings.
펜치 옌소독.
It looks like. This is my hand.
디, 응에, 락바레.
It's his hat.
대, 콩기, 샤모레. 대, 콩기, 샤모레.
His hat.
콩기 샤모.
It's his hat.
대, 콩기, 샤모레.
Last expression. It's his bag.
디, 콩기, 토페레.
Bag.
토페, 콩기, 토페.
His bag. It's his bag.
디, 콩기, 토페레.
So we've just seen a few simple phrases in Tibetan. We've first seen the simple sentence in French and the Tibetan translation. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.